Hey friends, welcome back to Doggy Disguises. Today we are going to draw a super cute little terrier dressed as a unicorn. My 3-year-old couldn't be more excited about this one because she's obsessed with everything unicorn, and for good reason, because they're so dang cute. So go ahead and grab your favorite drawing materials and a piece of paper, your sketchbook, whatever it is you like to draw in, and let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to do a drawing from one of my followers. This is a super cute little pup that was sent to me dressed as a unicorn. We have to do a unicorn. Now, this photo, I can't really see too much of the unicorn outfit, so I'm actually going to use it as inspiration, but I'm gonna change up the pose. I'm still gonna make it look like this little terrier, but one thing I really like to do is use this last page of my drawing guide, How to Draw Dogs. You can find this on my website. I'm gonna go ahead and find a dog that looks similar to the one that I have over here. I really like the way this little doggy is just kind of strutting and being so happy. I'm just gonna make him a little bit more furry, like our terrier, and make him strutting his stuff like a little unicorn. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to draw we're gonna start at the front of the head here. So we're gonna do a slight curve, a little bit more on a diagonal instead of straight down. And we're gonna go out and down. Now, if our dog had really smooth fur, we can just draw a straight line, but our doggy here has some more textured fur, so I'm doing like short little lines. I'm gonna close off the front here for the nose. Do the shine kind of in the middle there. You know what, actually, I think I wish I would have done these a little bit longer. Okay, we're adding more texture to it than I wanted, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna make this little pup, again, so happy and proud that they are a unicorn. And let's go ahead and add like what the hood would look like. So we're doing a curve, and then let's go ahead and do the horn. So it's a little bit of a curved line, and then we do some curves that go up and around, and this kind of makes it look like it's spiraling. Let's add in a ear. We should probably do the mane too. So I'm gonna just kind of make the line going down. This is the mane, and maybe there would be another ear that we could see or couldn't see. And I'm just going with actually this really fun texture. Usually I don't do texture on the entire dog, but I'm not gonna start over just because I, made the line a little too high up. It would have been totally fine there, but I just personally decided to change it up. It's no big deal at all. You can always find a way to kind of change up and make your mistakes turn into something positive. All right, so let's go ahead and draw the back of our dog going down, and we have to kind of figure out where would this unicorn outfit kind of go. I think it would probably go pretty close to the bottom. I'm gonna leave a little space there because that's probably where I'm gonna make it look like it's strapped under his belly. And then let's go ahead and I'm gonna make a really funny, like very voluptuous tail, a big curve up and then down. And again, kind of up, and maybe I'll just kind of connect it there. Rainbows, or unicorns, of course, are known for all their rainbow attire, so you can make the tail a rainbow if you want to. Okay, let's add a little bit of fur in the front. And then our little cute doggy legs. So I like in this example here, the legs are going forward. But again, we don't want to do a straight line because this dog has really furry lines. Unless you're doing it in pencil, then you can absolutely draw in pencil first and then do texture over top. But I'm just going to do some zigzag lines there and then connect. Boop. And back leg would be kind of hidden here. So I'm going to curve. And I'm making it look like the toes are kind of lifting off, and then I'm just adding, again, some kind of texture there. Sorry, I was like thinking about what I was doing here. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of fur underneath just to make it look like the belly, and then this is where it would kind of hook on, I guess. We could make it look like there's a saddle on our unicorn, but maybe not. Okay, and then other leg is gonna go back, and it's, again, it can be a little bit higher up and smaller because it's further away. There we go. All right, now because I added so much texture on the face, I wanna make sure I'm mimicking that all over. I always like to make the back legs, if I am shading, a little bit darker. Again, just to show that they are further apart, further away. They're on the other side. There might be a shadow there. And it just makes it look a teeny bit, again, more realistic. These are cartoons, so they're not gonna be super realistic, but it just kind of helps a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna darken this up to make it look like there's a smile. I love it. Okay, I decided I am gonna add like a saddle or something just because there was a line that was connecting. And I think that is totally fine. All right, here is my unicorn. I think I absolutely need to have like a rainbow shining down on this unicorn. There's the beaming light, twinkles. It's like a unicorn, the pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. I don't know why I made it end there, but we did. It's fine. Okay, I hope you enjoyed making our unicorn today. Come back tomorrow where we make another cute little doggy that is all ready for Halloween. I'll see you then.